from PIA Philippines. So this is our first ever time in Manila Auto Salon. We're inviting you to come visit our booth here. So you'll see that we have a very rally-inspired motorsport themed booth. We're having a special promotion on all our products from today until Sunday here at Manila Auto Salon at SMX Convention Center.
Hey everyone, this is Randy Lau of Autobot Off-Road, and we are here right now at Autobot and Team Ride Max booth at SMX Mall of Asia. We will be here starting today, November 13 until the 16th on Sunday. So we have a lot for you guys. Everybody's here, all the shops are here, Autobot is here. Wag lang po kami yung bisitahin nyo, but the whole show. We have Overland Kings, we have Dub Shop here, we have Black Rhino, we have Rugged Rigs. Magkakaibigan lang po yan lahat. We are just in one group, sharing the same passion and sharing our builds. So see you guys.
I'm Keith Brian Howe, aka KBH of Import Hookup. I'm inviting you to Manila Auto Salon this year, happening today until Sunday at SMX Center. I have a 7-car lineup for you guys. There's a Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, a Rolls-Royce, a Mercedes-Benz, Range Rover, and a Porsche Fiat. Yeah. So yeah, come check us out, and I'll see you guys here.
Guys, good afternoon. We're here at SMX in Pasay. So we're here at Manila Auto Salon. We have a full display here at Rugged Rigs and Jimny Hub. We're gonna be here from Thursday until Sunday, and you can see our displays. We have a Land Cruiser 250, an LJ 50, fully restored, a Land Cruiser 76, a Land Cruiser 79 6x6, and we have 2 Jimneys as well. See you all.
Hey everyone, it's Catriona Gray here. If you have some time from November 13 to 16, come on down to the Manila Auto Salon and visit the Sylon booth to see what they have on offer, and I'll see you guys soon.
What's up guys, this is Outdoors with Alex Perez from Premium Overland Outfitters, and we are inviting you to the 29th Manila Auto Salon here at SMX in Pasay. Check out our booth, Premium Overland Outfitters. You can see a wide range of bumpers from Rival. We also have camping gears from Alucab and Front Runner. If you guys want to chat with the head honcho of Rival from Russia, he's here this weekend, so drop on over to our booth. Also, we have one of the guys from Alucab from South Africa. He'll be here starting tomorrow. So the Manila Auto Salon will be open until Sunday. We will catch here. See you soon guys. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, I'm AutoIndustriya. Wanna invite you all dito sa SMX MOA Manila Auto Salon. So 2025, syempre, nandito yung buong team ng AutoIndustriya at marami kayong makikita mga aftermarket guys dito. Lahat siguro ng mga galing sa Pilipinas sa customizer nandito sa show na to. Kaya ano pa inintay nyo? Tara na, hanggang linggo to. See you all!
Hi guys, my name is Andrew Meat King, and I'm here at the SMX Convention Center from Thursday till Sunday for the 2025 Manila Auto Salon, and we'll be here from about 10 a.m. all the way till 8 p.m. My cars are parked here at the Motul booth. come check it out. I have the Mercedes-Benz SLS, the Mustang, and the full carbon fiber and the Miata. It's going to be a fun-filled weekend. We have we have giveaways, we have signed autographs, and we have a ton of entries for you guys to appreciate. So see you guys here.
Hi, please visit us and watch Manila Auto Salon at SMX. Thank you. Hi, good afternoon. This is Mon of 199 Off-Road House. I'm inviting you to join this year Manila Auto Salon here at SMX starting today, and it will end this coming Sunday on the 16th. Please come over and see us here.
This is Earl Pyatt of Dub Shop Silverwind inviting you to the 30th Sport Truck Show here at the SMX Convention Center from November 13 to 16 until Sunday na lang to showcase our builds, our products, and our creativity for this weekend only. And we are launching our new product, Option 4-wheel drive, also the 305 forged wheels. Nandito yung builds natin. Very nice. I hope you come and see it. Say hi to us. And we're also on a very, very big sale.
Alright guys, welcome to the Overland Kings booth. What we have here are all types of Explorers, a utility Explorer, electrified Explorer, lifestyle Explorer, and last is the Archipelago Explorer. All designed for all types of people who want to set up their cars for adventure, whether that's small crawling, Tanay adventures, or long-term expedition, or just chilling at home. We're here for you guys. So come check it out here at the Manila Auto Salon 2025 at the Overland Kings. This is Joe. I'll see you guys later.